Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today we are checking out the Elite 65T wireless earphones by Jabra. People in the business space who make calls every day might be familiar with the name. But your interest is not into that info, but into the fact that if it is good, or should I plonk my hard-earned money on them? Find out in this review.
Are you on your phone because you can't sleep? Maybe you need a new mattress from sleepspa.in. Shop from a range of ultra comfortable, environment friendly, and durable mattresses online and get a 15% discount on sleepspa.in using the code TALKINGSTUFF15.
So today we are unboxing the Jabra Elite 65T Active, which is similar to the 65Ts. The fact that the word active gives the model some pretty nifty features. So let's unbox this by getting it out of the plastic wrap. You can see the whole box now. Notice that the earphones are shown splashing in water. The 65T Actives are water resistant and I'll get to that later. Let's continue the unboxing. Other features are marked on the box such as secure fitting earbuds. It's got a 2-year limited warranty and can last 15 hours, which is actually the mashup of 5 hours on the buds and 10 hours or more when charged using the case. The buds can only last 5 hours, so effectively the case provides 2 more charges. On the side, we can see that the box contains more ear tips to get the perfect fit. Superior sound for 145 years, not sure if Jabra has been in business for that long. Let's open up the box and check the buds out. So here we have a box within a box and out it slides. It's a bit troublesome unboxing this one unless I'm doing something wrong, which my viewers will not let me forget. Once out, the first item we see are the buds. They look just great in the blue and copper color. Removing the cardboard on top, we have the entire kit inside. This includes the case, the earbuds, and below I think are the instruction manuals. And also we have the ear tips and micro USB charging cable. I would have liked it to be USB-C so that I didn't need to carry another charging cable. But these are the earbuds, they're pretty light, small enough, and I really like the design. The circular design of the main sound chamber and the small protruding arm help the buds fit quite snugly in your ears. The variant I have is the copper and blue variant, which I feel are the right combination of both flashy and discreet. Other colors such as titanium black and copper red are also available. The copper inlay in this model has the Jabra logo emblazoned on it. The buds are stored in this oval charging case, which really helps them from getting lost. But this case takes some practice opening, which is the biggest issue of what otherwise is an amazing set of earbuds. If you try to open it like most earbud cases, you'll just be met with resistance. Make sure to press the tiny notch on top in front of the case, which disengages this internal latch and you can pull it open. Not sure how long this mechanism will last, but hope it lasts long as I'm not interested in changing them anytime soon. Did I tell you the price yet? No, I didn't. So let me just get that out of the way. The bud cost fluctuates between Rs 16,999 and Rs 14,999 on a good day. But I managed to snag it at 11,999 during one of Amazon's Great Indian Sales. So make sure to look for a price drop before purchasing one. Also make sure don't mistake them with the standard Elite 65Ts. Those are not water resistant and cost almost the same, so be very careful. Other than the problem with the opening of the case, which I got used to as I kept using it, the rest looks quite fine. The buds fall into their designated slots and the contacts on the bottom charge them when the case is closed. The remaining charge is indicated by the LED below. Green is fully charged and red if the charge is low. The Jabra logo embossed in the front also looks cool. The micro USB port to charge the case is present at the bottom. So now let's test the buds and let's pair it with the phone first. It's quite straightforward as most earbuds. Find the buds in the Bluetooth list and tap to pair. The Sound Plus app by Jabra is available on both Android and iOS, which enables more features. At start, the app prompts which voice assistant you want to use, which could be on Android, you could use Google Assistant, and on iOS it supports Siri. You can also install the Alexa app on your phone and enable it to respond whenever the right button is depressed. Once we open up the app, we have the main dashboard where we can see the buds names, an equalizer to change the sound characteristics, and you might also notice the hear through option, which allows us to listen to our surroundings even if we have the buds on. the earbuds use the 4 microphones present to feed the sound in. The equalizer has quite a few default options, and you could also customize them to make it sound exactly how you would like them. The controls on the earbuds are physical buttons, not capacitive ones like those on most. So every time you change the volume or pause playback, it feels like you're jamming it into your ear. Controls are quite intuitive. The left earbud controls volume and track change. You can feel the ridges on the front and back. Back is volume up, and when held down changes to the next track. Similarly, front is volume down, and when held down skips to the previous track. Tap on the button on the right earbud to pause and play tracks. Hold down to activate the voice assistant of your choice. You can also pause the music by removing the right earpiece from your ear. We also have options on the side for setting the use case, such as during a commute, if you want to keep focus on a task while working, etc. A nice option here is that you can play a soundscape, which is a simulated ambient noise, so that you don't get disturbed, or if you just want to relax, sounds available are ocean waves, rainy day, songbirds, and many more. The last mode is the active mode. This screen has a step counter and can track your activity. Cons: the case is a bit tricky to open. The buds are not magnetically held down in the case, so can fall out quite easily. Pros: one of the best fits you can get. Really stays in your ear. Battery life of 15 hours with the case is quite good. Sound quality is awesome. The active version is water resistant. I can easily say that these are one of the best fitting and comfortable earbuds I have used to date. I really love these earbuds. The build quality and the audio quality is exceptional. They really stay put in your ears as long as you wear them the right way. The 65T Active takes it up a notch above the standard 65T, providing water resistance, which is necessary during workouts. If you are looking for a pair of premium and quality earbuds, these are a really great set and I would totally recommend them. If you have any questions, do mail us at tech@talkingstuff.net, or you can also WhatsApp us at 96525 78833. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.